Special glasses part 1. Optical glass. Optical glass is a special type of glass and it includes only those glasses which have high homogeneity and special composition. These glasses have definite optical characteristics. These characteristics are highly accurate and their accuracy is as such which permits their use in scientific instruments. The important requirements of an optical glass are as follows. The composition of the glass should be according to the required optical properties. The batch material which is to be used should produce glass of low viscosity. The glass should not devitrify upon long annealing. The glass should produce a colorless product without the use of coloring material. The glass should be free from bubbles. Glass should have advantageous grinding and polishing properties. The glass should be capable of withstanding the action of atmosphere. Optical glass is also known as Crookes glass because it generally contains phosphorus and lead silicate and a little bit of cerium oxide. Cerium oxide is capable of absorbing ultraviolet light. In general, optical glasses are relatively soft and have low melting points. They have low viscosity, there is absence of bubbles and capacities to sustain optical clarity. Optical glass is used in making optical instruments such as lenses of telescope, microscopes, etc. Borosilicate glass is another type of special glass. This is an example of optical glass. It contains about 13 to 28% of boric oxide and 80 to 87% of silica. It has low expansion coefficients and has a superior resistance to shock. It has high electrical resistance and high chemical stability. The composition of a typical borosilicate glass is silicon oxide, boric oxide, aluminum oxide, potassium oxide, and sodium oxide. A glass of low thermal coefficient of expansion and high chemical resistance is obtained by substitution of alkali, that is sodium oxide, and basic alkaline earth oxide, that is calcium oxide, of the soda lime glass by boron and aluminum oxides. Borosilicate glass is used in the manufacture of baking dishes, laboratory glassware, pipelines, insulators, and washers. Lead glass. Lead glass is another important type of special glass. It is obtained by mixing lead oxide, silica, and alkali. The lead content is as high as 92%. The important properties of lead glass are it has high refractive index, it has low hardness, it has high dispersion power, and high density. The density of high lead glasses can be as high as 8.0. Lead glasses are widely used in optical work because of their high index of refraction and high dispersion. They are also used in the manufacture of electric bulbs, neon tubing, and radiators because of high electric resistance of the glass. Colored glass. Colored glasses are another type of special glass which are used for decoration, technical and scientific purposes. It can be prepared from batch material containing inorganic coloring agents. Colored glass is of three types. The first type of colored glass is that in which the color is produced by the absorption of light frequencies by coloring agents in solution. Coloring agents used for this purpose are the oxides of transition elements such as those of titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel and copper. Such type of glasses are those in which the color is either due to chemical structural environment or the color is due to the differences in state of oxidation. For example, nickel oxide is soluble in sodium lead glass yielding a brown color. But in potash glass, it dissolves to give a heliotrope. This nickel oxide is an example of the agent which produces color due to chemical structural environment. Another example is that of chromium. Chromium oxides produce color due to differences in state of oxidation. They produce colors ranging from green to orange depending upon the properties of basic oxide Cr2O3 to the acidic oxide and the composition of the glass, whether it is acidic or basic. The next second type of colored glass is that in which the color is due to colloidal particles which are precipitated within the colorless glass as a result of heat treatment. For example, precipitation of colloidal gold producing gold ruby glass. The third type of color glass are those glass in which the color is due to microscopic or large particles which are themselves are colored. For example, selenium oxide used in traffic lights, lantern, etc.